Hey there, my Friday friends. So this week's product for our featured ingredient is a material that is called Galesan C from our partner Gale Cosm out of Italy. Now, what is it? You're probably wondering. Have you guys, any of you, been in need of a D4 or D5 cyclomethicone replacement material that actually has some volatility? Those materials, of course, as we all know, are a bit of an issue, and a lot of formulators are looking to formulate out of D4 and D5s because not necessarily that they're harmful to humans per se, but that there is an issue with bioaccumulation in the environment. So a lot of companies are trying to move away from those materials, and finding a replacement is maybe not so easy. However, we have it for you, and it's called Galesan C, as I already mentioned. It gives you the same beautiful light feeling that you get from those types of cyclomethicone products, or silicone products, I should say. And one of the nice things I know that I personally love about those types of products is that silky light feeling. And one of the things that is also necessary is a bit of volatility. That's what gives that sensorial appeal that I think most of us really like in a formulation. So Galesan C is a very nice combination and unique combination of isododecane and hydrogenated polydecene. And this unique combination gives you the same or very similar sensorial properties that you get from those D4 and D5 silicone products. We have some great formulations if you'd like to check anything out. One of those is actually a fantastic hot pink lip gloss, which of course you could use whatever color you'd like when you're making it. If you need some more information or some formulation help, please reach out to us and feel free, request a sample, anything you need, and get rid of those D4s and D5s. Have an awesome weekend, guys.